What is your name?
My name is William Edward Foster.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
Which school do you attend?
I attend Mountainview High School.
What grade are you currently in?
I am in grade 5.
Who is the principal of your school?
The principal of my school is Mr. James Alexander Wright.
Can you tell me about your father's profession?
My father, David Jonathan Harris, is a doctor.
What does your mother do?
My mother, Sophia Rose Bennett, is a housewife.
How many siblings do you have, and where do you fall in the order?
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister, and I am the eldest in my family.
Do you have any pets? If so, what is its name?
Yes, I have a pet dog named Bruno.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Daniel Christopher.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is playing cricket.
Where is your village located?
My village is located in Kandy.
What is your future ambition?
My ambition is to become a teacher.